Okay, there you go. I started one yesterday, but I wasn't liking the way he was turning out. I mean, his nose is too small for his head. So, and his legs, I made them too skinny. He's got a lot of sawdust. But, kind of like the way the ears turned out, but that's about it. So, there he is. Like, he kind of looks like a bear, but his head's, I think it's just something's off proportionally, I think, with his head. I think it needs to come more in, and then it's going to make his neck longer, which I guess would look more like a black bear, but I don't know. I might mess around with it, but I was chasing it for a while yesterday and just wasn't feeling it. So I started over. It's going to be a bear holding kind of a little bit of a head tilt, holding a fish. I think I'm going to try and make it look realistic, because it's for, I'm going to be donating it for the Fish for a Wish that's coming up next weekend for the auction. So, want it to be cool. All right. So I will do some more progress and then film a little bit more. Oh, look at that thing. I don't know what that. Anyways, I'll add some more footage later. I'm not gonna film the entire thing because I'm a little rusty with the speed. I haven't been carving as much as I'd like to, so I need to get my speed up. Because yeah, you don't get better at this game not doing it. So, anyways, we'll check back in a bit later. All right, so here's some of the progress on the old bear. There he is. Much better nose on this one than that other one, and the contour is a little better. So obviously it's still chunky, the nose, so we'll smooth it out and make it more part of the actual head. But so far, a few little things need to be done, but it's starting to take shape. We got the arms forming. I haven't figured out how he's going to be holding the fish. Maybe down here. I don't know. I decided to make the arm go here instead of down here. So we'll see. Kind of making it up as we go. I mean, I have an idea what I want it to look like, but sometimes the wood just says otherwise. So, yeah, there you go. We're making progress. All right. So, bear's coming along. I mean, he looks okay. Still not what I'm going for. Looking for more realism. Something's in my hat. Something's crawling on me. Oh, there it is. And all I could hear was that giant thing crawling on my hat. Or in my hat. Big spruce beetle. Ugly looking thing. See, there he is. And the big guy. They bite too. So, anyways. So yeah, there it is so far. It's a little better, but I think the snout might be too big. I don't know. You start chasing it and then you end up making it really small like that. I mean, the profile on that's better, I think, but it's too short and his head's too big. So anyways, I have to decide if I'm gonna make that snout smaller. I mean, it looks okay. I might just leave it. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to put a welcome sign or a fish. A fish kind of here. And then his tail at the bottom. Because it is for a fish for a wish. So I could do welcome at the bottom and then a fish. Anyways, we'll see. All right, that's the progress on the bear. Yeah. I got to do some work to get the realism down, because it's just, this part's okay, but it's just I guess that's okay. This should be slanted down more. Anyways, that's just me critiquing my stuff. The ears look pretty cool, I guess. So, yeah. All right, well, when it's done, I'll put the video up for when it's done. So right now I'm just getting sawdust glitter everywhere and making bears. Okay, we'll be back in a bit. Get a bronzy color. Once it's hot enough, it starts to turn gold. The bronze. can't really tell on the camera, I don't think. It's starting to turn around. Kind of a brass color to start with, and then when you heat it up, it turns kind of a bronze, copper bronze color. Okay. Put that down. Pressing on it. Just because it's not quite an even surface. Okay, let's see if it worked. There we go. It's like a double Little Big Bear. A little sanding will make that nice and crisp. Or not. Yeah, it's not working. It's a risk you take when you are trying to burn this. That was a good one. Just had some little fuzzies. It's not the best wood for carving. Too many fuzzies. But it's what I got, and I got a lot of it. So there you have it. Fish. We're done. We got a little pike minnow and a bear, a fish for a wish with the Little Big Bear logo, and there you have it. I think it's good. Probably look better in the light, but it's a little wet right now, so I'll maybe take a video in the light. There you go. I'm sawdusty a lot. Okay, well, I'll come back with some footage in the light once it dries a bit. Okay, we got her all done. We've got our fish for a wish bear done. So there he is in all his glory, the fish for a wish. So now I'm just going to take a picture of me with it because I got to get pictures of me with my carvings. But folks, fish for a wish. Coming up next Saturday. This will be my first year participating in it. It usually happens in July, but I haven't been able to come. So this year I will be able to go. And I think he turned out okay. It's not quite, whatever. I'm going to pick it apart because I'm the guy that created it. But you can too if you want. But there you go. Little pike minnow. So, all right. There you go, folks. Make good choices. Oh, what a sawdust on my nose, in my nose, up my nose, on my glasses, in my beard. Okay, anyways. I gotta go get cleaned up. Make good choices and don't forget to fish. Bye.